Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problems or issues that you have on Stumble guys. So now how to fix or how to solve white screen on Stumble guys, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about this window of Stumble guys and you will click here in this window. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.